future barbers out there. My package just came in. I ordered the new Babyliss and Tomb 45 collaboration. Um, they was on back order, so longer waited time. Super excited to get these. So yeah, man, let's get into it. I already opened the box, as you can see, but I haven't opened the packages. I had to make sure UPS sent me the right package. You know what I mean? So yeah. So yeah, let's get right to it. All right, so out the gate, let's see what we have here. These are the clippers here, and we have the trimmers. Yes, sir. And then, of course, we have the wireless charging pad that goes. The clipper sits right on top of these. And this is the charging pad for the trimmers. I guess both of them are the same. Doesn't matter which one. Both of them are the same for each one. So looks like they got something extra in here for me. Let's see. Oh, got some aftershave. Tomb 45 red cologne. Oh, that smells super sexy right there. My client's gonna love this right here. Yep. So okay, that's all we got. Let's see. Got a couple of stickers. And yeah, so we're finna get into opening these guys up, see what they looking like. All right. We got the clippers right here. We're gonna take out the box first. So it slides out pretty smooth. Just pull these guys out here. Pretty sleek. But we'll take the accessories out the inside of the box first before we cut these on. All right, we got the instruction, oil, brushing, the standard Babyliss tool to loosen the screws and stuff like that. It's a little charging card. Just for the you can plug them directly into. Here it's got the C charger. Or of course, we're gonna use the charge pad. It comes with guards from 0.5 to all the way to 4 guard. This is the 4 guard here. Let's open this up. Okay. Now I like the back of these guards already. You can tell that they're not gonna fall off and have you gapping somebody up or something like that. Rookie mistake, but it happens to the best of them. So yeah, let's see if we can put them on here. Click. Yep. That's security right there. I already like the collaboration, what they did with this guard. All right, so let's turn these guys on. And you hear that power. It shows you your percentage right there at the bottom. I just opened them up out the box. There's 69%. And I heard this T45 right here in the middle. If you hold it down, it's supposed to like boost up the power to a whole nother level. So let's try it and see. Oh yeah. You heard it, it got louder and it's got much stronger. That's dope. I can't wait to use these. I'm just like a sneakerhead, but I'm a clipper head. That's why I got my business is called Clipper Heads. So yeah, like you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clicks on this one. They're already zero gapped out the box. So yeah, that's what they're saying. So the motor, the dual speed motor, goes from the low speed 68 RPM to 7,500. So you got 6,800 RPMs and 7,500 RPM. 4 hours of run time. That's pretty dope. Yep. So if you're cutting like some real bulky hair, chunky hair, you go up to another speed to get that out. For all the specs and stuff on the back. So we'll put these up. Let's go to the trimmer. As I was saying, I get real excited when I get some new clippers, and especially something like this. That's gonna help my time. Time is money. We got to get you in and out. So something like this, real valuable. It's gonna be well worth it. I can already tell, but I can't wait to get these on the client's head in the morning. So yeah, let's get to the trimmer and see. All right, got the trimmers here, just like the clippers, same box. Just pull it open. So I got a little tape on it right here. There we go. Pull out. Yeah, man, let's see. Inside gonna have the same, pretty much the same stuff in it. Let's go with it. Yep, no guards, but the same stuff. All the cord. It also has plug-in also. Same C cord and all that good stuff. Let's move this to the side. Oh, so the trimmer got the same button on the front. The 2-speed. Let's see what the trimmer specs. Trimmer got the same speed. 7,500 on high. 6,800 on low speed RPM. Let's see how these bad boys sound. It's supposed to come out the box zero gap. Oh man. Come out the box with 98% charge on it. I like the feel of these, like they're not too bulky, and you see that right there, that thumb opening for the thumb print. It's for so much more comfortability when you're doing, with your lines, your curves. It's sleek. All right, let's hit that the T45. Let's see what it sounds. That's high and that's low. I mean, that's high and that's low. That's high. So yeah, as far as comfortability and all for the clippers and the trimmers, I give them a 9 out of 10, man. Already, I can tell I'm gonna be able to get, like, when I be trying to get my curves and behind around the ears. I'm gonna do a tutorial with these also. Once I get in the shop, I was just excited to get these guys, man. And go ahead and do a review on these. Okay. So another thing, this right here it's magnetic. So if you look right here, you pull this off, and this for like underneath, like the bridges, stuff like that when you're trying to get in hard, tight spots. some people, everybody's face structure is different. So some people noses might be a little bit, you know. So we always want that little part right there off to get the bridge. So yeah, they came up with some nice ideas on this clipper, man. They did their thing with the collab, the Babyliss and Tomb 45. So far so good. But yeah, man, we still got more to unbox. So let's go ahead and unbox these charging pads and see how they work. All right, we got both charging pads here. They are the same, clipper and trimmer not included, of course. So when you order the set, like I did, these pads come with it, but for us, just an extra charge, the smaller charge on it. Can't remember the exact price on these. I paid around close to, I think like about $400 with shipping. All right, this is the charging pad right here. Come on, man. Get out of there. All right, here we go. Now, so two charging pads look like so. I don't know, I guess you could. No, I don't look like you can hang them up. I guess they'll just sit on your station. They got like these little grips on it so it won't slide on your station. So that's pretty dope. Let's try one out and plug it up and see. Matter of fact, we'll plug up both of them because I need to make sure they work. I spent a lot of money on these. Like when the new J's come out, this how I am once the new clippers come out. Super excited. All right, so we'll just plug it up in a little USB. And if you can see it, it's lit up red when I plugged it in to this with the C charger. So it lit up red. Let's do the other one. Bring my little charger power over here. Yep, same thing. It lit up red. So I guess that means power is on or something. I don't know. It's my first time using these, so now let's put them on here and see if you can see. Let's put them on here and see. It starts blinking when I put it on. I gotta make sure I'm putting it on here right. Oh, there we go. Now, I know that blinking was, that meant I did something wrong. So, okay, when you got it on the right, you put it with the bar. So it's got like a little bottom part here. I guess that's where you put it. Actually on that part, that's the little charging part. Slide it down, turns green. Cool, see that? Yep. Now, let's do the same thing with the trimmer, which I didn't really need too much charge on it, but I gotta make sure this works. I put it the right way. So you actually face the trimmer down. So the trimmer will face down towards the charger there. To see that? Yeah. So when you're charging them up, they're just gonna be flashing. When they're completely done, I guess it's gonna go solid green. So yeah, man, that's it. I got my little after shave. Oh yeah, that smells good. I might keep it for myself. All right, so I really want to try. I just want to see how they feel. But my beard is already shaped up, so we may have to wait till I get on a client. Oh yeah, these things, they zero gap. I'm barely touching the skin on my forearm here. It's coming off like butter. I like that. So yo, what I'm gonna do, get these prepared for my first client in the morning. Now I may do like a little touch up. Can y'all hear that crunch? I'll let you know they got them set right. I don't think I gotta do nothing to these when I get to work. Yeah. So when I get to work, I will be doing another quick review, like showing y'all exactly. I'm gonna do a whole head on with these two clippers. I like the sound, let you know when it's charging too. So there you go, guys. That was the unboxing of the Babyliss Pro and the Tomb 45 collaboration. I really love it. I can't wait to use these guys, and see y'all in the next video on my client's head. Peace.